Thanks, guys. I'm here with my roommate and special guest, Leah Keller, who is joining us today as a Connell School of Nursing student to discuss the ins and outs of caffeine.
That's right. I'm excited to join the Now You Know team today to touch on one of the most important things on all of our minds, other than our classes, during these next few weeks that will be filled with 20-page papers, group projects, and finals. Inevitably, this will be leading to a lot of late nights, and we're here, of course, to help you guys figure out the best and the worst form of caffeine.
The caffeinated drinks that we find the most popular among our peers are Red Bull, Diet Coke, coffee or lattes, and tea. So these will be the drinks we are concentrating on today.
First, we'll start off by telling you what caffeine actually does to your body. Caffeine works by changing the chemistry of the brain. Sleep is associated with a chemical called adenosine, which binds to specific receptors in the brain, bringing about drowsiness.
When you drink coffee, tea, Diet Coke, or Red Bull, the caffeine from these drinks binds to those same receptor cells, thus preventing sleep and bringing about a renewed energy.
Caffeine brings about a feeling of alertness, it boosts your adrenaline, and overall just makes you feel, pretty darn good.
However, to throw in a little disclaimer, if you aren't already accustomed to consuming caffeine on a daily basis, for survival purposes, we are not suggesting that you start just for the heck of it, since there are some consequences to consider.
That's right, Shweta. Caffeine can make you jumpy and irritable. You can also get those awful caffeine headaches, which are caused by the dilation of the brain vessels.
Nearly 90% of Americans consume some form of caffeine every day. I guess BC Dining got the memo since numerous amounts of students take advantage of the free coffee offered during finals.
All right, Shweta, let's get down to some digits. An 8-ounce cup of brewed coffee has about 135 milligrams of caffeine. An 8-ounce cup of caffeinated tea has about 50 milligrams of caffeine. A 12-ounce glass of Coca-Cola has about 34.5 milligrams of caffeine, and a 12-ounce can of Diet Coke, my personal favorite, has about 46.5 milligrams of caffeine.
So basically, what the numbers are saying is probably something you already knew. A cup of coffee has more caffeine than anything else, but this does not necessarily mean that it is the healthiest form of caffeine consumption. I would say that your best bets are having a few cups of tea, since tea also provides you with several antioxidants. If you would prefer something that has the taste of coffee, I would go for a latte, since along with 100 milligrams of caffeine, you would also be getting plenty of calcium and vitamin D.
In regards to sodas or diet sodas, which I thoroughly enjoy on a consistent basis, I would recommend Diet Coke Plus. It provides the perfect amount of caffeine with the added benefits of vitamin B and other various minerals. The downfall, however, with any diet soda is the heavily scrutinized aspartame. There have been claims in the past that aspartame is linked with cancer, and research is still going on. Therefore, drink it sparingly if possible. Aspartame is also found in many artificial sweeteners that you may use in your coffee or tea, such as Nutriseed or Equal, so use these sparingly as well.
As for Red Bull, there's 80 milligrams of caffeine in one can, but we see Red Bull as a lose-lose situation because regular Red Bull contains 27 grams of sugar, and the sugar-free version is made with none other than our friendly foe, aspartame.
So as finals quickly approach, we wish you luck not only on your exams, but in finding your perfect source of caffeine.
Back to you guys at the desk.